In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an extra store from Shopify. Removing an unused or extra store from your Shopify account can help you stay organized and make managing your businesses more streamlined. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily. First, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify admin panel where you have access to all the stores associated with your account. Make sure you've logged in with the account credentials that have the necessary permissions to make changes. Once you're on the Shopify admin homepage, you'll see a section labeled My Store. Go ahead and click on that section to proceed. Now that you're in the My Store section, your next step is to locate and click on All Stores. This will bring up a list of all the stores linked to your Shopify account. It's helpful to occasionally review this list to ensure no unnecessary stores are taking up resources or adding to any confusion in your operations. Once you have the list of all your stores in front of you, it's time to identify the specific store that you wish to delete. Carefully review the store names and select the one that you no longer need. To do this, simply click on the name of that store. This action will direct you to the store's main settings page. Before you proceed with deleting any store, it's crucial to make sure that it's truly an unwanted or duplicate store. Deleting a store is a permanent action, and any data tied to that store will be lost. Therefore, it's a good idea to back up any critical information or ask other stakeholders if this action is aligned with your company's plans. After you've confirmed your decision, look for the option that allows you to delete the selected store. Typically, you'll find this under Settings, Subscriptions, or similar sections within the store's admin page, depending on updates or specific versions of Shopify. Follow the prompts carefully and confirm the deletion. Bear in mind that Shopify may prompt you to provide a reason for the deletion or ask you to confirm your identity for security purposes. This could involve entering a password or verifying a code sent to an email or phone number associated with your account. These steps are in place to protect your data and ensure that only authorized individuals can delete stores. Once you've completed these actions and confirmed your choice, Shopify will delete the store from your account. Take a moment to ensure the store no longer appears on your list, signifying the process was successful. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you efficiently manage your Shopify account by removing any unnecessary stores. Remember, maintaining a clean and organized digital workspace is key to running your business smoothly. If you have any further questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to reach out for more guidance.